Car side mirror internal gear broken. Causes, symptoms, and repair guide. If your car side mirror is not moving properly, chances are the internal gear is broken. A side mirror, also called a wing mirror or door mirror, is an essential part of safe driving, and when it stops working, it can cause inconvenience and safety risks. In this blog, we'll explain the symptoms, causes, repair options, and cost of a broken side mirror gear, along with tips to prevent future damage. Symptoms of a broken car side mirror gear. If your power side mirror isn't functioning correctly, you may notice. Mirror won't move at all when using the adjustment switch. Grinding or clicking noise inside the mirror housing. Loose or shaky mirror glass that doesn't stay in position. One direction movement only, for example. It tilts up but not sideways. These are clear signs that the side mirror internal gear may be damaged. Causes of side mirror gear damage. Several factors can cause your car mirror gear to break. Normal wear and tear. Plastic gears wear down after years of use. Manual force, pushing a power mirror by hand can break the gear teeth. Exposure to weather, dust, moisture, and heat can weaken the mechanism. Accidents or parking damage. Even a small impact can crack the gear. Car side mirror gear repair, step by step. If your side mirror internal gear is broken, you have two main options. Replace the gear or replace the entire mirror assembly. One gear replacement, cheaper option. Remove the mirror cover. Take out the mirror glass carefully. Open the mirror motor housing. Replace the damaged gear with a mirror repair kit, available for many car models. Reassemble and test. This is a budget-friendly fix if only the gear is damaged. 2. Full mirror replacement. If the motor and gear are both damaged, you may need to replace the entire side mirror assembly. Keep the mirror mechanism clean and lubricated. Fix small issues, like grinding noise, early before they cause bigger damage. Final thoughts. A broken car side mirror gear is a common issue, but it doesn't always mean replacing the entire mirror. In many cases, a simple gear replacement is enough to restore proper function, whether you choose a DIY repair or visit a mechanic. Fixing your side mirror gear quickly ensures safer driving and saves money in the long run.